And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is the boss. Not your boss. Your wife is your boss, right? How is everybody? Happy Monday again. Patel, hi. Is this a trading course? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Patel, do you have any questions? And crypto millionaires and boss, where are you, man? Vacation again? You're kidding right now. I was not kidding. I was but I promise you, no more vacations until June, July, right? No more vacations until June, July, August, alright? For enough? Enough of vacations, alright. And everybody, you have to, I posted two links, alright? So the links are going to, I'm not sure if I have, okay everybody? So the links are for if you need capital to get funded, alright? You have two asset managers, right? Okay, you have two asset managers looking for traders, and one is Morris Capital with the incubator called X Trading, so trading, alright? And another one is Darwin X, alright? It's also looking for traders. We're going to talk more about in the end, right? Hello, Sam. How are you? Hello. All right, everybody. So never forget, you are in the. This is the Forex trading course, everybody, right? A little bit different layout, you know, less text, right? So do you want to become a professional trader, funded trader, or hedge fund trader? All right, and never forget, you're going to graduate from this course when. Number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have a strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the chart and make an educated prediction. Alright, everybody. So, Patel and Sam, if this is your first time with us, welcome. Alright, so you're in the Forex course 101 right now, and it's all about the market, alright? It's all about the market. We're learning how this market works. It's called the learning phase. And upon completing the Forex course 101, you're going to graduate for this course then if you want, not mandatory, but you can join the Forex course 202. It's called the money phase. Alright, and it's all about the business, what tools institutions, institutional traders are using to make money. Alright, and then Forex course 303, it's not mandatory, you know, it's more about redefining, defining the Forex course 202. Alright, everybody, so never forget, this is no recommendation, we are here to learn, everybody, risk disclaimer, right? This is not trading or investment advice, we are here to learn. Especially in the Forex trading week, where we are going to implement what we have learned so far into the live markets, right? From the manual, we finished technical market structure, highs and lows, market behaviors, trends, you know, how to properly draw trend lines, consolidations, higher time frames, smaller time frames, multiple time frame trading, and then we just finished the module support, resistance, pivot points, right? So before we move to Japanese candlesticks, everybody, we have the Forex trading week, right? So we're going to implement what we have learned so far into the live market. Is this price action? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Pure price action here. Alright, everybody, so, and if you didn't receive the manual, send me an email, alright? For questions and homeworks, you have my Gmail or Skype, alright? It's for free, courtesy of my students, Shola and Ernesto, alright? Alright, everybody, we are calling it Lambo Monday, right? Lambo Monday with the Lambo hat. Alright, everybody, type in the chat a currency pair that you want to trade. Type in the chat a currency pair that you want to trade. If not, we're going to go one by one, AUDK, AUD, NZD, and so on and so on and so on. remember we learned about we learned about news events already, right? We learned about the news events already. Yes, we are going to, yes everybody, I owe you, where is it? Give me a second. Is this one? There you go. There you go. Yes, we are going to start, we are going to have the Fibonacci mastery starting from Saturday, February 17. It's going to be 4 weeks, alright? February 17, February 24, March 2, March 9. Alright? Yes, you're going to learn Fibonacci here too. Alright? And news events, right? Today it's Monday, February 5th. Nothing special. Tonight is going to be midnight 30 minutes. My time. You need to check your time zone, everybody. You need to check your time zone, alright? You have the AUD cash rate, interest rate, and then Tuesday, February 6th, so tomorrow, 6:45, you have the unemployment change, alright? And this is going to affect how we trade, right? And then we have nothing relevant until Friday, you know, Friday, CAD and employment change, alright? Friday, I just come back, everybody. I rearrange my schedule, so hopefully we're going to have class on Fridays too, but I need the captain, our captain Yanis, our manager, need the captain to give it the okay, alright? Good news, right? Good news. Okay, everybody, so yes, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat, right? So we have AUD tonight, alright? How would you trade, everybody? Let's open AUD CAD. Do this with me. AUD CAD. Let's open AUD CAD, everybody. Boss, is the Fibonacci part of the course? The basic Fibonacci is part of the course. Alright, the basic Fibonacci is part of the course. The mastery, it's a little bit more advanced techniques, some tricks. Alright, so everybody, AUD CAD, right? And you can see the Fibonacci's right now, indicators out, we didn't. So I'm going to clone this chart, everybody, clone chart. And I'm going to get out of the Fibonacci's, alright? Out the Fibonacci, out. Alright, AUD CAD daily chart. Hedge fund trader Patel and hedge fund trader Sam and hedge fund trader Julius and Clara and Ala and 4K. How are you going to make money this week out of AUD CAD? Type in the chat, would you buy or would you sell? YouTubers too? Dukascopy YouTube students, Dukascopy Academy, please type in the chat. What's the plan? Alright? Should you sell? Should you buy? Should you sell right now? Should you buy right now? Boss, can I ask for a different time frame? Sure, there is no right or wrong. Everybody, you can ask for any chart you want, alright? But remember, Forex Trading Week, we are here now to implement what we have learned so far. Same as sell, alright. So, if you are new to the show, everybody, in the Forex Trading Week, right? So, it's the process. Number one, buy or sell. Number two, what time frame. Number three, what pattern. And number four, where the stop loss and take profit. And I'm going to enter with you, make sense? Hedge fund trader Sam, sell, alright? What time frame do you want to sell? What pattern do you want to sell? And please type that in the chat the number, right? So I need the number of the stop loss. Where the stop loss number, stop loss number, and the take profit number, right? Hedge fund trader Patek Ichu, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Dancy, hedge fund trader Darcy, hedge fund trader, who else is there? 4K. And we are trying to implement so far what we have learned, right? Market waves, short-term trends, trend lines, and support resistance pivot points. There is no right or wrong, everybody, don't be shy, but remember I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat, alright? So Sam says sell, alright? What time frame do you want? No, it doesn't need to be the daily, could be 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart. Hopefully not the weekly. And remember everybody, tonight you have the AUD news, right? Boss, what does this mean? Well, if you are on the 15-minute chart example, give it a second, give it a second. Come on, J Forex, come on. 4 hour, right? I'm going to go on the 4 hour, but just to answer to a student, it's not on YouTube. You know, so just an example, if you are on the 15-minute chart, right, just an example, and you short the market and the market goes your way, and up in here is the stop loss, so the news could potentially eat all your profits, make sense? No, not on the daily, not on the daily. From the daily standpoint, the news is not relevant at all, but we've learned, everybody, in the previous lessons that the smaller the time frame, the more relevant the news becomes, alright? Good? Alright, Sam wants to short the 4 hour chart, alright. What pattern? Sell 4 hour, alright, what pattern? And please type in the chat then the stop loss and the take profit. And I'm going to enter with you, everybody, make sense? I'm going to go here and I'm going to short the market. Units, thousands, millions, wow, lots. Alright, set conditions, alright, there you go. AUD cat, 4 hour chart. Give it a second, there you go. Yes, you can ask for another currency pair, everybody. During the Forex trading week, we are trying to implement what we have learned from theory into the live markets. Make sense? So we've learned here, lesson 18, what is support, resistance, pivot points. We've learned how the market behaves at support, resistance, pivot points. We've learned that depending on the trading style, maybe you should profit take somewhere, maybe you should not enter somewhere else. Then we've learned how to trade support in an uptrend. Then we've learned how to chart. We've learned how to trade support in a down. We've learned retracement trading, right? We've learned how to trade retracements. Then we've learned downtrend, extension retracement. We've learned some concepts about the short-term trend once the market breaks the past support in a downtrend. look for opportunities to go long until the next break. So, and so on, past support, you know. Traders hint, retracement trades are riskier compared to extension trades. Next levels, Forex course 202. How to trade resistance in an uptrend. We've learned all of this. You know, retracement trading, right? Pictures from the manual. How to trade resistance in a downtrend. Alright? All of this theory, I believe we are done. Oh, pivot point 2, right? All of this theory too. Now we need to implement how to trade sideways channels. You know, we've learned how to understand consolidations, right? Alright, everybody? And so on and so on and so on. Melissa, hello. I need to say hi. I have a heart, so let me say hi on the chat. FXCM in TradingView has most history available. Melissa, I don't know. I don't know, Melissa. Everybody, but pay attention, because most history is not always a good thing, alright? Pay attention because of the monthly bands. Alright, everybody? If you go on TradingView, just an example, right? So if you go on TradingView, everybody, so you are seeing the monthly band, bands like this, right? Just an example from FXCM or whatever, just an example, you know. And then you go to another data provider, and maybe your data provider is going to, another data provider is going to show something like this. Make sense? Exactly, because then if you are going to do, oh, but those are the monthly bands, now this would be wrong. Make sense, Melissa? So pay attention, you know. You need to have the right visual. Make sense? If you go too much back in time, then the players, you know, the Forex market, everybody is looking at this, the monthly bands. You are going to look at this. So me, I'm going to buy down in here. You are going to still short. Does this make sense? Alright, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. Yes, I'm using FXCM, sure. But I'm telling you, pay attention, alright, everybody? Give me a second. And we are still on AUD 4-hour chart. Hedge fund trader Sam, 4 hours. What pattern and where the stop loss, where the take profit? Hedge fund trader Melissa, how would you make money on? Give me a second, everybody, not close. There you go. Melissa, how are you going to make pips and money on AUD CAD? Hedge fund trader Sam, it's on the 4-hour charts. I'm still waiting for what pattern, where the stop loss. What about you, Melissa? Do you want to buy? Do you want to sell? There is no right or wrong. It's makes sense, everybody? Boss, I don't know. Help me out. All right. No, not with the signals, right? Stop loss ATR times 2. You are in the beginner trader course, my friend. We are far away from indicators. All right. Sam, talk to me. How long have you been trading? Prefer to sell. Sam, how long have you been trading? 3 months, 6 months, a year, 2 years, 5 years? Prefer to sell. Melissa, what time frame, what pattern, and where would you put the stop loss? All right, everybody? Boss, help me. All right, do we agree that on the daily chart, the market was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows? Do we agree? And then the market broke the uptrend line, and now the market is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Type in the chat, yes, I agree, or type in the chat, no, I don't agree. I'm at the beginning. ATR times 2 doesn't work if you're in the beginning. ATR times 2 as a stop loss doesn't work for a beginner trader. Alright, everybody? Who knows who wants to tell hedge fund trader Sam where is the appropriate stop loss? Who wants to tell Sam where is the appropriate stop loss? There is only one place, Sam, that you can put the appropriate stop loss, and it's not ATR times 2, by the way. Nothing wrong with ATR times 2, but it's not going to work for a beginner trader. Alright? Everybody, listen up, listen up, listen up. ATR times 2 might be good in the money phase, but Forex course 101, it's all about the market, so you have no idea how this market works. Make sense? So ATR times 2 is not going to work for you. Alright? It's all common sense, it's all logical. Alright? It's pure logic. Prefer to sell. What is 0.906, Melissa? So if I'm shorting the downtrend, if I short right now, would this be more risky or less risky? What's the answer? So, alright, we all agree that the market on the daily chart and the 4-hour chart, it's making lower lows, lower highs, right? Alright. It is at the top. Top of what? Maybe not the top, maybe bottom too. Who in here knows? Let's tell Sam a few secrets. Let's tell Sam a few secrets. Secret, not a secret, but maybe you didn't hear this. What makes the money in the Forex market? What makes the money? This is beginner trader's talk, right? Or intermediate trader talk. Anyway, this is a Forex course 101 talk, conversation. What makes the money is the appropriate use of the stop loss. Right. Now, the stop loss goes where? You asked for stop, I don't see a tradable pattern. Melissa, aren't we in a downtrend? Aren't we in a downtrend, everybody? Type in the chat, yes, we're in a downtrend, or type in the chat, no, we are not, we are not. We're in the golden unicorn channel, whatever. Everybody, do you have a confirmed downtrend on the daily? In the meantime, stop loss goes on. It's the mantra. I said you're going to be sick and tired of me telling you. I'm going to wait for the 5 minutes, then I'm going to tell to Sam. Yes, but the appropriate stop I see is too far. No, it's not. No, it's not. Everybody, pen and paper. Again. Alright? If this is your first time trading cardinal, fundamental, sacred rule. Pattern. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Everybody, stop loss goes on the pattern trade. Whatever you trade, makes sense? Whatever you trade, double tops, triple bottoms, Fibonacci sequence, crown, short-term trend, market wave, and golden unicorns and rainbows, stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Oh yes, but period, end of story. Do you want to make money? Do you want to make money from the Forex market? Learn this rule. Stop loss goes on the... I don't care what other traders are saying. I don't care what other bullshit teachers are saying on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Alright? You can invite them here, by the way. Go to talk to Mike. Alright? Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Period, end of story. Learn this, everybody. This is a skill. Alright, some Sam want to short the market. We're going to sell, right? Market, and stop loss is going to go at the price. Sam is saying 0.90670. And anything else? Sell. Submit. There you go. Hopefully we're in a trade. Give me a second, everybody. Yes, we are. Alright, we're going to add the comment. So this is Sam short. Sam shorting 4 hour time frame. Very good, excellent, congratulations. We have one. Give me a second. And give me a second. 0.906, give me a second, everybody. Where is the 0.9? 0.9. Whoa. And here, and everybody, let's do this and like this, and at coordinate 0.90670. There you go. Ali, stop loss previous lower high. Sam, are you trading the 4 hour chart with this stop loss? Ali, do you want to share? If you want to short, type in the chat what time frame, what pattern, You know, and if you want to stop loss above the previous high, all right. Hedge fund trader Ali, if you want to trade the short-term downtrend, we've learned about timing too. Is now the right time to short the short-term downtrend? Ali, do you want to enter right now? Did you learn, everybody, the trading cardinal fundamental sacred rule, if you want, biblical rule? Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Sam says yes. All right. What pattern are you trading, Sam? Because if the stop loss goes on the pattern traded, Sam, and on the 4-hour chart you have a market wave making extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. The chart clearly shows that you are not trading a 4-hour chart. Does this make sense? Not the time now. Very good. Does this make sense, Sam? And if you are new, everybody, like completely new to the show, please go back to Dukascopy Academy. Dukascopy Academy. On YouTube, Dukascopy Academy, and start to watch, everybody. You go to playlist and start to watch our full systematic Forex course or professional trader course 2023. This is all the same. This is all me. Alright. And start to watch lesson number 1. What is the technical market structure? Alright. Watch one video per day. So in a few weeks or months you are going to be here. Alright. And in about a month we're going to start with the Fibonacci's. 3 tops. 3 tops are over, my friend. Alright? Everybody, if you have 3 tops up in here, alright, and you are shorting the market. No, don't be shy, we're here to learn. And you are shorting the market down in here on the 4-hour chart. This entry has nothing to do with this pattern. Does this make sense? Up in here, Elvis has left the building. The train has left the station. Alright? Now, it's all about education. Make sense? I cannot enter here shorting the market because of the 3 tops up in here. This pattern, and it is a pattern, has left the building. Make sense, everybody? I cannot say, listen to this, it's common sense, right? I cannot say, oh, I'm going to short the market right now in here because of the downtrend up in here. Make sense, everybody? Give me a second. Make sense, everybody? So here's the counter trend line break, counter trend line break, counter trend line break, right? Counter trend line break in here, or counter trend line break in here. Give me a second. There you go. Make sense, everybody? Yes, this would be wrong. Why? Because the stop loss goes on the pattern traded. You are working hard in a wrong way. Does this make sense? All of those entries, now this is just an example, all of those entries lower lows, lower highs, all of those entries on the short-term trend are over. Make sense? If you want to listen to me, alright? So if I can enter short in the market down in here, and I'm saying, oh, I'm shorting the short-term trend, the appropriate stop loss, it's up in here. Where is the appropriate stop loss on the pattern? The appropriate stop loss is where the market violates the pattern. Oh yes, but period, end of story. Those are black and white rules, not negotiable, not subject to interpretation. Does this make sense? Boss, we have a lot to learn. We do. Right? If this is an uptrend and the market is retracing in here, right? The stop loss goes down in here. Period, end of story. But why? Because this is the level where the market, if stops me out, violates the pattern. As soon as possible, the market makes a lower low. I'm not in an uptrend anymore. Talk to me, everybody. Isn't this common sense? We have black and white rules not subject to interpretation. The definition of an uptrend. What is an uptrend? An uptrend is where I need to see a minimum of 2 lows and 2 highs, where the second is a higher high and the second low is a higher low. This is the definition of an uptrend, right? Black and white rules, not non-negotiable, not subject to interpretation. So if this is the definition of a trend, as soon as possible the market makes a lower low. So how is the lower low with the definition of an uptrend? Make sense? Now some students do say, for me, I'm still in an uptrend. But those students are not coachable. Make sense? You are stubborn. You have black and white rules. It takes some time, of course, but this is not that difficult. Make sense? It's not difficult to learn this. But you've been stubborn sometimes. Sam says 100%. So if the stop loss goes on the pattern traded, and here is the market stopping you out on an uptrend, then it's common sense that if I'm shorting the downtrend, here example, I cannot say, oh, stop loss up in here. Make sense? Boss, but this stop loss is safer. True, but you are not trading that pattern, right? Market wave, extension, retracement, extension. Alright? Market wave. You are going long, you are buying the short-term uptrend. Because you don't have enough money in the account, you need to go on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 15-minute chart, whatever. You are going to enter, just an example, you are going to enter here and the stop loss should go here. You are trading the short-term trend, you are trading the green. Alright? Now, the violet is the market wave. Alright? The violet is the market wave. But some of you are going to enter on the short-term trend and you are going to put the stop loss down in here. And a student is telling me, boss, but this stop loss, it's safer. It is. It is. You're right. It is. But you are not trading the violet pattern. You are trading the small green one. If you are risking 0.5%, now let's go to money. If you are risking 0.5% in here, look how much you're going to risk on the violet. Does this make sense? Thank you for the thumb up. Appreciate YouTubers, YouTube. We tend to mix patterns. Make sense, everybody? Those two, the green short-term trend and the violet market wave, those two are two different patterns. Those two are not the same. Alright? Yes, the short-term trend is the structural part of a bigger market wave. Yes, ma'am. But, talking about trading, when you enter the market, stop loss goes, one more time, stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Does this make sense? So, we need to choose what we're going to do. And as Sam did, and me too, by the way, we're all the same, everybody. You know, what we are learning today is that if I say, alright, I'm going to buy the market right now, alright, and in my vision, I'm buying the uptrend, I cannot put the stop loss down to here. Make sense? This would be the triple tops of Sam's. You know, the market made triple tops, and but the market is now down in here. I'm going to short the market and I'm going to put the stop loss up in here. Wrong way of doing things. You are working hard, yes you do. You are studying hard, yes you do, in a wrong way. Make sense? Hedge fund trader Sam, hedge fund trader Ali, hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader Ala, Julius, Clara, Shola, Ernesto. Any questions so far? YouTubers, students, Dukas, Copy Academy and YouTube. Any questions? So when Melissa you say, yes, but the appropriate stop, I see it's too far. You know? Make sense, everybody? What if I'm up in here, circle, and I say, alright, and the market didn't make a higher high yet. The market did not confirm the next extension. What if I'm Melissa and I say, alright, I'm going to enter here, or I'm not going to enter here because in my opinion, the stop loss is too far away. Does this make sense? I'm choosing to trade the violet market wave. The appropriate stop loss is down in here, but I'm not going to enter because, in my opinion, the stop loss is too far away. Good news, bad news. What's the bad news? If you are staying out, no Lambo for you. Oh yes, but. There is no yes, but. Those are the non-negotiable rules. Make sense, everybody? And we've learned that whatever the pips in numbers, this stop loss could be the representation of 0.5% risk. Risk equals to 0.5%. Example. You know, and this stop loss could be the same representation of risk. Make sense? We've learned all of this already. The wider the stop loss does not mean the bigger the risk. This is a false statement, everybody. You've learned from some YouTuber, TikToker, Instagrammer in the wrong way. Not true. You can have 0.5% in 20 pips risk. and you have the risk of 0.5% in 2000 pips risk. Make sense? But fair enough, you need more capital, sure. By the way, I'm building a new mini course for this year. It's about how to manage risk in the right way. Yeah, maybe in March, you know. It's going to be one day. Yeah, also the Forex course students, they have a difficult time with managing risk. It's all about education. We don't understand risk in the right way. So since you have give me a second, let me type hi. Just a minute. Melissa is saying, so since you have a 4-hour example, I will move to 2-hour example. Entering at this time, I would put a stop at 886 and take profit. Wow, nice, let's go. Proud of you, Melissa. Alright, I need to add more ticks. Hour, 2 hours, apply, okay. So we're going to go here and the 2 hour. 2 hour, right? Stop loss 886. What pattern are you trading? Melissa, what pattern are you trading? And for the time being, everybody, give me a second. We're going to put orange for Melissa stop loss. It coordinates 0.886, right? So that's the stop loss, which is super cool. What pattern are you trading? So lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Market wave. Wrong answer. The market wave is the... Can you see it, Melissa? The market wave is the red. Don't be shy, everybody. We're here to learn, alright? Don't be shy. We're all the same. Can you see, Melissa, how the red one, it's extension, retracement, extension, retracement. So inside the red, Melissa, you have the change in the short-term trend. Can you see it? So you need to choose now, Melissa, if you want to trade the red market wave, your stop loss goes up in here. Or if you want to trade the short-term downtrend, the green, your stop loss goes lower. Alright? Melissa, tell me what to do. 4-hour wave. 4-hour wave, this is example. No, I'm on the 2-hour chart. Sometimes they overlap. 4-hour market wave and 2-hour market wave are most likely the same. I'm on the 2-hour chart, Melissa, right? But they do overlap. What does this mean? One, it's quite similar to the other. Do you want me to put the stop loss above the red? Or should we put the stop loss above the green? And then we are going to talk about, what's the time? And then we're going to talk about, Roger, which one? The red one? Everybody, I'm moving forward the conversation, right? Now, 7 times out of 10, green, very good. Now, 7 times out of 10, the market is going to go up. Alright? Should we freak out, yes or no? The market is going to retrace. Why? And Melissa is freaking out. Oh, I don't want to enter. We are going to enter right now. Give me a second. 2-hour chart. No, don't enter. We're going to enter. Why not? We are here to learn, right? What is the 88500, right? 88500. So 885. So shorting the market, stop loss at 0.88500 and take profit 858. 0.858. 858, submit sell. Is it going to? Alright, give me a second. 2-hour chart. And I'm going to move the take profit, right? I'm not sure if I made a mistake or take profit is too near, right? So how can I double click? I'm going to move it, alright, Melissa? Take profit, not at the right place, so... Oh, cancel take profit. Alright, cancel take profit, it's out, and... Comment, Melissa selling 2-hour STT, shortened trend. 5 more minutes, everybody, and we're done for the day. We're going to be back tomorrow. We had the Forex trading week, so we're going to try to trade for the whole week. You are going to trade for the whole week. This is the retracement. 0.17, too far away too. Are you sure you want to close the position? No. Short, close, cancel. Alright, anyways. Exactly, everybody. Give me a second. So, positions, take profit. I'm going to cancel take profit. Alright, so we are without take profit, everybody. Take profit is the wrong place, right? Both of them. Alright, no take profit. Excellent. Alright, very good. Tomorrow we're going to back with take profit with Sam's entry and Melissa's entry. So Melissa is correct, everybody. You know, what can you see from the daily or the 4-hour time frame? Aren't we at the pivot point area? Everybody, aren't we at the pivot point area? Type in the chat. Yes, we are. Type in the chat. No, we are not. This is the daily chart. Tomorrow is going to be the same process. Buy or sell, what time frame, what's the pattern. Alright? Are we or are we not at the pivot point? Yes, we are. Must the daily retrace too? Let me, please don't get me wrong, I'm going to explain to you how you are losing money, right? I'm going to explain to you how you are losing money. Everybody, is the daily in an extension or a retracement? Everybody, is the daily in an extension or in a retracement too? What is the daily doing? The orange one. Sam, you are trading the retracement. No, she's not. She's shorting too. She's trading the extension, right? Alright, everybody, I'm going to push the conversation forward, alright? So, because the daily it's in an extension and the daily must retrace to, alright, and the daily could retrace to somewhere, there is no right or wrong anyway, but this would be past resistance, you know, when you trade, if you have extension, exactly. When you trade, when you're shorting the market on the smaller time frames, if your stop loss is too near, then the daily can stop you out and continue its way. Make sense, everybody? Alright, everybody, I need to go. See you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade like a